Today we're talking about selenite, this beautiful white translucent stone that's connected to the moon and the angels. It's a beautiful stone to work with, very gentle and very cleansing. Selenite comes in a variety of shapes and forms because it's so soft. It can easily be shaped into whatever form you want, and it can also be bent. So for that reason, it's not a good idea to put it in water because it will dissolve. Because originally it used to be a dried up saltwater seabed, and then over time it dried out, and with different layers on top, the pressure increased, so it started to crystallize and form these sheets of translucent whitish stone. So we have kind of rods, so sometimes you find them in these kind of rods, or kind of more short, stubbier versions. But also you get them as candle holders. This is particularly beautiful piece. I really like working with it because not only have you got the purifying energy of the fire, you also have the purifying energy of the selenite. So those two really work very well in tandem to transmute detrimental energies that have been extracted through healing. And yeah, other shapes you get is bowls, and I particularly like bowls, selenite bowls, because they charge and cleanse other crystals. So putting them in a bowl is beautiful to look at to begin with, but it also charges and cleanses the stones that are put in. So it's kind of two for the price of one. In mythology, selenite goes back to the ancient Greeks, and Selene, the goddess of the moon, is the patron or the namesake for this crystal, because it's been seen as part of the moon, and it has that energy to it, that moon energy as well, this feminine, beautiful kind of moon dream-like energy, really soft and very nurturing and cleansing. Selenite is very much connected to the angels, and I've had this experience when I was doing a meditation with selenite, and what came to me is, well, these two beautiful beings of light and pure love, pure compassion, and it was very hard to kind of be in their presence because I really felt kind of like dirty and all kind of grubby. So because I was comparing myself to these pure beings, but using selenite helped me cleanse myself, so I got a lot of cleansing energy from selenite during that meditation. So it was wonderful to see this transformation from feeling grubby and dirty to feeling clean and pure and cleansed. So that was a really powerful experience. And those two angelic beings, they're still with me, and they come to me every once in a while in meditations, so I can feel them nearby even now that I'm talking about them. Part of selenite's energy is also that it helps us grow and develop spiritually, particularly again connected with the angels or the higher realms. So it helps us, say in shamanic terms, if we're very much connected to the upper world, the worlds of angels, ascended masters, those kind of souls, and it really helps us to kind of get our energy clearer, so we can be more present and be more of a vessel for spirit, because the more we're cleansed in that sense of kind of detrimental energies, the more our own spirit can come in, the more we can fill ourselves up with our own spirit, and in turn then we can grow, because the more of our spirits we can embody, the more we can grow spiritually, the better we can connect with the spiritual world. So selenite is a really good stone for that, to help you connect, first off cleanse, but then also connect to the spiritual beings. And also on a more practical level, it's a very calming stone, so it's beautiful just to hold. So sometimes you feel overwhelmed or just kind of worn down, or you need a bit of positive energy. Just holding a selenite can be, just hold it in your, maybe in your non-dominant hand, and just holding it and feeling it, feeling its energy can instantly calm you down and bring you down into a kind of equilibrium. So kind of make you more balanced and lift your mood and kind of connect you with, with the higher energies. So this is a really good, so particularly those kind of smaller stones like this one that fits nicely into your hand so you can hold it or keep it in your pocket. That's a really good way of using selenite if you want to just get a bit of a boost in terms of the beautiful white energy, or just kind of calm yourself down. Yeah, so that's my 5 things about selenite, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And I'm gonna do more videos. I'm gonna do a meditation with selenite, kind of drawing on what I've experienced with my meditations. So once the video is up, I'm gonna attach it to this video, so there's gonna be a box coming up to click on, or else it'll be coming. If it's not there, it'll be coming soon. So maybe if you like to subscribe, and then you get notification when that video comes out. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you very soon.